Hey guys, hey, a couple weeks ago I bought a 5-pack of these LED light switch covers for $10.50 on eBay. They're the cheapest ones I could buy in a pack of 5. They're less than $2.25 a piece, and I have been pleasantly surprised with how they performed and their brightness. Very simple to install. I'm going to show you a little bit how they work. So here is the sensor, and I'll show you how that works later. And it's got 3 LEDs on the bottom. So fairly simple. All right, now the first thing you want to do is take off the current cover. The same screw will work on the new plate, but the new plates also come with a screw as well. You then want to remove these. Now you don't necessarily have to. I'll show you in depth if I can get there. The way these covers work is it pulls the electricity off of these connections right here. There's nothing to be screwed in or soldered or anything like that. So in here, if you can see that, it's got these screws here that have to be either, on a lot of new homes, they'll be way too far out. So you've actually got to pull that plug out and screw those in, or sometimes they'll be too far in so that these connections won't necessarily hit it. And you'll know, one, you won't be able to put the cover on if they are too far out. If they're too far in, when you get it dark and you cover the sensor, the lights won't turn on. So it's pretty simple, straightforward. I actually have mine too far in, so I'm going to pull this plug out and extend those a few lengths to make it connect better. As you can see, I'm not going, that is tight right there. I'm just going to go out a few turns on each side. Now I will note that there are no wires coming out of these screws that I'm extending out. If they were hot or they had wires there, I would definitely not be loosening those. They need to be as tight as they can on those wires. We can go ahead and test this. So you can see there, when I have it there, that light turns on. So we got it good. So now we'll put it back. Okay. I, for one, don't love when my plugs stick way far out for my covers. Kind of a stickler that way, so that isn't perfect, but certainly flush. And then you can see anytime you get anywhere close to covering that up, that sensor is good. It's pretty sensitive, you know. So just put our screw back on. Okay, pretty simple. Here, there's a nick from my kids throwing something down the stairs or something like that. I don't know what that is, but I'll show you when I black this out how much light this gives off. It's enough to light up that area. It's not so bright that it blinds you, but it's enough to give that some good light. I'll actually go up the stairs and show you as well. There's a view from upstairs as well. Okay, appreciate your time tonight. If you like this video, if you would hit the subscribe button here, and then be sure to check out all the other videos over in here. Thank you.